In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your trade history on Kucoin. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a newcomer looking to keep track of your trading activity, knowing how to efficiently find your trade history can be very handy. Let's get started. First, you're going to want to open up your web browser and head over to the Kucoin website. You can do this by typing in the address www.kucoin.com. Kucoin is a popular cryptocurrency exchange, and if you're trading with them, accessing your trade history is just a few clicks away. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner where you'll see the Login button. Click on that. Now, if you have an account, enter your login details to access the platform. If you're new, you'll need to create an account and go through the necessary account verification procedures before proceeding. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on the Kucoin homepage. Next, look for the Trade button. You'll find this near the top of the page, usually situated amongst other options like markets and derivatives. Click on Trade to get started. This step will take you to the trading interface from where you can navigate to your trade history. In the trading section, you will see a variety of options related to trading. What you're looking for here is spot trading. Go ahead and click on that. Spot trading is where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly at the current market price, and it's typically where your trading history will be recorded whenever you execute a trade. After you click on Spot Trading, your screen should be populated with various trading pairs and graphs. Don't let this overwhelm you if you're new. Finding your trade history is straightforward from here. Look for the option labeled Trade History. It's usually located within the Trading Dashboard interface and is often found under the Orders or History tabs. Clicking on Trade History will pull up a comprehensive log of all your past trades. You can see details such as the date, the trading pairs, the amount, and the price at which you bought or sold each asset. Reviewing this information can provide useful insights into your trading habits and help you make informed trading decisions in the future. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed your trade history on Kucoin. Remember, maintaining a regular check on your trade history is critical, as it helps you keep track of your performance and ensures transparency and control over your trading activities. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!